touch the glass. I did.
Oh.
Don't know what this is.
Yeah. No clue.
Hey, this window's intact.
Look in front of you.
Yeah, what is that?
Yeah, that's so creepy. Is that a monitor? What is that?
Wow.
Pass right here.
Hey, it works.
Look. Look at that window, oh my God. Hey.
We gotta see what's up there, right? Kind of creepy. Creepy attic. No. I mean, nothing that looks familiar to me. What do I know? Dresser.
I'm sorry, that is so creepy. I don't know what to make of it.
Did you ever see Monty Python?
Yeah.
Bring out your dead.
That's pretty much what it looks like.
Bring out your dead. Bring out your dead.
Yeah.
They all look pretty much the same.
Yep.
Okay, you stay here. Anything in here?
No
dead bodies.
I'm just so fascinated by this thing. I'm just fascinated by it. You may stay here. Did you just tell me to stay there?
No, that thing.
No.
No, you could have stayed in the car.
I
That's
was like,
fine with me.
Was it something I said? Oh, really? Really? I think you enjoy my company.
Yeah.
Hey, what's that?
It's called a drain.
I know, but what do you need that for?
I don't know.
This is where they massacred whatever. Oh my God, Marcel, look at honestly.
They all look the same. Look at this thing. It actually goes right outside the track. See if you can see it. Can you hold this?
Look at it. I got it.
I don't know if you can see it.
Jesus, it looks like a roller coaster.
Yeah, like it came right outside.
Yeah, that's so cool.
Wrapped right around.
Does it go on? Where does it go to?
It just goes right around the corner there. Yeah, see, it comes right out to here.
That's cool. Whatever. I don't know what it is, but it's super cool.
So that thing would just push right out to here.
Yeah.
So it almost like something you'd pull in here
Yeah.
and load whatever, and just push it right into the barn.
Yeah. It's so overgrown right now. It's so
Crazy.
beautiful. Oh, Jesus.
Pickets everywhere. Yeah. Yep.
That's one thing. When nature takes over, it protects.
Yeah, right?
This is very icy. What's this over here? You see it?
Trash.
Yeah. Ryan and Amy, where are you when we need you? This place is creepy. They would enjoy this place for sure. Wow. What do you think of this? What's the functionality of this? Oh, man. Neat. Rest for your mask in case you forgot yours. Cool find.
Cool building.
Cool people in the cool building.
Yep.
There's these little red hooks up here too, all along the wall. Everything had a purpose, we just don't know what the purpose was.
All right. Well, that was pretty cool.
Yeah,
I mean, look at that hallway.
Jesus Christ. Yeah. Can you shut it off and let him see how dark it is?
Oh, it's pitch dark.
Oh, it's pitch black. Yeah, baby.
All right, I'm gonna turn it back off to the both side.
Yep. There's a fuse over there. What that means.
Hey, what do you know? It's open. Hey, we got fire in here too.
Yeah. Oh, the snakes on the ground.
Hey, look at.
Oh, wow. That's neat.
I assume that's a book.
Wow, look at that. What a shame. Marriage adds 7 years to a man's life.
Yeah. Just 7?
That's what it says.
Yeah, looks like it's more like
Wait
70.
a minute. It says it adds 7 years. Okay?
Yeah.
Hey, what are these? What are these?
Conversion charts?
Oh, wow. Cool. Anybody want a conversion chart?
What is it converting?
Ounces, pounds to kilograms.
Oh, that's handy.
That's pretty cool.
It's a handy thing to have. Well, not much to see in here.
Oh, Bruce Springsteen would be proud. Made in the USA.
Made in the USA.
Oh, wait, that's born in the USA.
Yeah, same difference.
Whatever.
Born, made, right? Made in the USA, same thing.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
We have one place to visit.
we do. What?
Cemetery. Look at that. Amazing building.
Yeah. Okay. Gotta go up on this one. Don't fall. That thing just shut off?
No, you just set off your car.
I did?
Silly Billy.
Ooh. Oh wow, this is like pens.
For feed or something.
Yeah, look at this. Cool.
Maybe chickens. You know, can you see the little chickens hopping up here to eat?
Probably. Cool.
That's for baby chickens.
Maybe. Who knows? Kind of cool. Into the attic. Oh, this is interesting. What's this? Oh, probably where the wiring for the telephone or something went.
What are the incubators? We would have like incubators here if they had chickens.
Yeah. Cool. It's interesting for sure.
How cool that is,
Is that an elevator? Yep.
It is?
Yeah, right here. Cool, look at that.
Oh, wow. Let me get a picture of it. Can you show me that for a sec?
Wow, creepy as hell. Wow. Oh, look how cool that is down there then. Yeah, there's the top of the elevator.
Isn't that neat?
It is neat.
This is cool too, whatever it is. Hanging down. Light fixture?
Yeah, light fixture.
Hold it. Oh, come down.
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah, these are like all the same.
Yeah.
And then this side, oh, this one's a little different.
Yep, that's what this is. Chickens.
Cool. Hey, pipe down, will you?
It is freaking pitch black in
Yep.
there. How's our floor?
Oh, look at that.
Chicken storage.
It-
That's what they
it's
do.
gotta be.
Little baby chicks.
Someone will know. Somebody will know who watches this. But I think you're right.
This place is awesome. What's this?
Timer. Bathroom.
Gross.
Yeah. Gross is right.
So much cooler down here.
Yeah, because I'm down here.
True story.
Oh, boiler.
Oh, wow.
Just a regular house boiler.
Yeah. How old do you think it is?
I don't think it's that old. H.B. Smith is a good boiler too. That's asbestos right there, by the way.
Oh.
Just so you know, just don't touch it. Don't get it airborne. I thought that was a basement. Hey, look at this creepy thing.
Ooh. Just an alarm
A
system?
bell or something, or garage door. Oh, look at this. We have graffiti.
Ooh. And,
First piece of graffiti.
look, fittingly,
Yeah, right?
first piece of graffiti we found.
Oops. That would be something on the cover.
It's an old. 69. Wow. 1969. Good year.
Yeah. Hey, what's this? Oh my God, it's not even English.
Wow.
What the hell? Look at that. What is it, a book?
That's cool.
Hey, what's this?
That's
Thought it was bones for a minute, but
it looks like X-rays of bones.
oh, penis, erect,
Oh my God.
erecto,
That
peniso.
is not what it says.
Yeah, it is. That's what it is.
Stop making stuff up. Fact or bullshit?
I don't know.
Now who's the bullshitter?
Listen, I can make shit up too. Oh, look at this office.
Oh wow. Look at the dishes.
What the heck is that thing?
It's a respirator.
Really?
Yeah. But probably because,
Oh yeah, look at it attached. I didn't even see that.
yeah, like they probably had a lot of germs.
Oh, look at that. Isn't that
Fighting
funny?
the Irish.
What's 2 days from now?
Oh my God, that is so cool. Yeah, that is neat. Here's more boots. Right here.
Information resource for livestock and poultry handling.
Look at this. It's a chicken.
Nice.
That's neat.
What's that?
Warning.
Okay. Warning, that's all I need to hear.
Look at these nice pair of sneakers just left here.
Yeah.
Well, they're not that nice. Fighting Irish.
Wait. Wait for it.
This is so gross.
Wait for it.
Get those enchanties away from me. Weirdo. Oh my God. You are messed up, buddy.
Yeah, I
Hey,
know.
look at this. Check it out. Somebody was like really wanting to know that they look good for the chickens. before they-
Yeah. You sure that's not yours?
Yeah. No. Nice.
We're in the cemetery?
Oh
What?
my God.
What?
Did you see that?
No. Let me turn the light off so we can catch that. Hopefully. It is actually lightning out.
Yeah.
Oh, and thunder.
And thunder. I have the ghost app going.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, why not? We're in a cemetery. And there's lightning and thunder.
Well, let's walk around a little bit, just so we can show.
Definitely. I'll keep the app going just in case. Oh, what's this?
What?
Oh, was this a child?
No. 1921 to 2013. I doubt it.
Look at the tractors.
Yeah.
Oh, what's this? Somebody's angel.
Angel.
Somebody's angel.
This thing interests me over here. Oh, that's cute. Look at that.
Oh, wow, look at that. Yeah.
Look at that light.
I know, it's
Isn't that cool?
You're drawn to it.
Yeah, I am.
Yeah.
That is really cool. Oh, firefighter.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow, that's beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
It's 2018. Yeah. Just paying our respects.
Yep. Oh, there he is right there. Thank you for keeping us safe.
See him. Look at this. What is that? What is that?
Couple of rocks, it looks like.
1924 to 2015, but it's part of the headstone? Yeah. That's interesting.
Yeah, wow.
Look at this one.
Regular rock.
I've just never seen
That's
anything
cool.
like it.
It's different.
That's awesome. Wow, look at, they've got a whole like setup here.
This is nice, yeah. In heaven too, you will have my hand.
Oh. Look at.
What does this say? Hold on. Proudy?
Did you see this?
Yeah, I'm gonna come over there.
Oh.
Cool.
Forever
Oh, deer
soulmates.
antlers.
Look at all that. Look, a heart rock.
Yeah, nice.
Look at that guy.
Moose.
I put him right here. He was knocked over. Wait, she's knocked over too. Look at, oh my God, look at this, Marcel. Look,
The handprints,
handprints, there's a child. See that? Aww. That's really special.
yeah. What?
Mother.
Okay.
That's what I got on the ghost app, mother.
We're gonna look at where I'm standing.
Oh my God, look at
Mother.
mother.
Nice. That's so funny. And here I am standing.
That's pretty cool.
Okay, these are pretty old over here.
Yeah, that's cool. Look at how close they are.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Yeah, it's probably just in memorial of somebody.
Wait, what is that? It's,
In memory of
it's-
Bruce Bollinger.
It's bunny rabbits.
Rabbits, yeah. Alright, so that was fun.
Yeah, it was.
I mean, this is what we told you. You're driving by, you keep your eyes open. Although this did call us, but whatever. And you never know what you're going to find. You never know. So,
you never know.
no, that was pretty cool.
It was awesome.
So I enjoyed it. And
Are you kidding me? That thing in the hallway? What the heck?
yeah, I don't know what that is.
I don't know. The stair,
told
the
ya.
ladder going up.
Bring out your dead. So, do we have any
Super
shout
cool.
outs today?
Yeah, yeah.
All right, go for it.
Yeah, we do. You know, we've met so many cool people doing this, and really enjoy watching everybody's videos very much. In particular, one couple that just sort of, they kind of reminded me of us because we're, you know, there's so much fun to watch. And
Wait, are you saying that we're fun?
we are fun.
Wow, there's no conceit in your family.
We are.
My
No, we are
God.
fun, and they're fun.
We have fun. I don't know if we are fun,
No,
but
we are fun. and so are these guys. And we just want to say hi to Bree and Andy from AwesomeEpic Adventures, and they are located in Australia. So I mean, that's the one place that I've always wanted to go.
I would love to go there too.
You would?
Yes.
Road trip.
Yep.
Yeah.
We're coming your way.
You guys gotta show us around. But yeah, I just love watching your guys' videos, and just, you know, sometimes when we're on a Explorer, I'm like, WWBD, what would Bree do? Because you are awesome, girl. You are braver than anything. So just want to say hi.
Hello, guys.
To Andy too. You're brave too. So
let's get out of here.
do we have to?
Yeah,
I am loving.
it's beautiful though. We're sitting in the middle of a cemetery, and we can't really show you because it's too dark.
No.
But it's
Waterfall,
thunder and lightning out.
Thunder.
Waterfall in the distance. I mean, tiny bit of sprinkle, but nothing.
Just
So.
after you've had a stressful work week, it's just nice to
Yeah.
relax and chill with
So
your BFF.
anyway, we're gonna say goodnight, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.